So good evening, all of you. My name is Shashiraj, and today we have topic that is be assertive, not aggressive. So everything is clear. My audio is clear to you.
Yes, it's clear.
That's great. So topic is be assertive, not aggressive. This is the topic of today's session. Let me go for the topic. Right. So very first, we need to understand what is the meaning of being assertive. Actually, being assertive is the advanced version of communication skill. In the communication skill, we learn many things, how to interact, we learn confidence, and we learn effective skills to put our views effectively in front of public, in front of audience. So assertive, being assertive, it's also the part of communication skill. How we put our views, how we talk to people effectively, and without making anybody angry. Many times we need to say negative words in front of public or in front of any other person to whom we talk every day or with our friends. We have to say no, whatever they require. So how in what manner we can say no to other people, and that person cannot get angry by your words. So these skills we need to learn, and these skills are very much important in corporate sector, in organizations where you are working or where you are going to work. Okay, okay. Now the thing is that many times if somebody asks you anything to a kind of coordination or kind of help, or they ask for the money and you provide the money to that person, you give them money, right? And next time he also asks again, give some money, you also give second time the money, and third time he also asks for the money from you, right? That time you are in the dilemma that whether you have to give money or not, whether you have to say no or not, whether that person can get the angry. So this kind of thing, this kind of like ideas comes in your mind. So how to handle this kind of situation that person cannot get angry and you can also put your views. So these are the skills that needs to make a balance between you and your friend or other people. That is called the assertive nature, right? So I've written something here, finding your style means you need to bring the style to put your views. Many times you need to talk to your boss, your senior people, like they are not agree with you, they don't want to have your project or your views on their organization. But at that moment, how you put your point before the people, before your boss, before your senior, means you can put your views, you can get your work done by your seniors, and your seniors would also be agreed with you. So this kind of skills. So okay, have written something here. One example: an acquaintance asks for a favor, you'd help this person many times and are getting tired of it. There's a personal project you'd really like to work on a state. Here's how you might respond based on your communication skill. Actually, the thing is that we have three ways of communication skill. One is passive, another one is aggressive yourself, then third one is assertive. Okay, first of all, let me convince you what is passive. Passive means when you help to any person, you think about yourself and you think about others. That is called the passive nature. Means somebody has asked to help to you and you would say that, yeah, I would love to help you, but not right now. I'm not in the situation to help you. Please try to understand. And that person understands you and you also understand that person. Maybe in the future, you can help. Maybe you can help tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after some time. That is called the passive nature. Means you are not angry and that person has not got angry. But the next point is aggressive yourself. The person has asked you for the help and you said that I'm tired of your winning and needness. All the time you ask for money, time and again you just come here and you just start asking for the money and start asking for the help. I'm fed up from all these things. I'm got disappointed. Miss all the time. This is called the aggressive nature. You have shown your aggressiveness and that person got nervous or disappointed. Next time he would not approach to you. He would try to avoid you. So this kind of nature is called aggressive nature. We need to avoid this kind of nature, aggressive nature. And the third one, which is really very important, assertive, means you are not going to help that person. You would say, no, I'm not going to be able to help this time. Means you have already helped him many times, but you are using some polite words, some etiquettes, some soft skills natures, and you are saying to no to that person. Means you are not in this situation, not in the condition to help you that person. Means you have put your own views. Okay, you can also understand in that way. Suppose your kid is asking for mobile phone. He's saying, he's started crying in front of you, and he's saying that I want money. You say no, and 3 4 5 times, many times he just asked for mobile to you, and ultimately you said that okay, I'm going to buy mobile for you. So what you are going to teach to your children? Means your children have learned that if they persist, if they insist 4 or 5 times to you, you would be agreed. Means there is no value of your word no. Means whatever you are saying no to your kid, but there is no value. If somebody insists you, if somebody tries 5 or 6 times in front of you, then you would agree with that person. So there is no value of you. So that is the meaning of assertive nature. All right. So I think that you all have understood about this slide. So here we are going for the next one. Okay, just a minute. Okay, next slide. Yeah. Plan your response ahead of time. Okay. So there are some situations, there are some circumstances. On in those kind of circumstances and situation, how would you reply? Like find yourself automatically saying yes to things without thinking about it. If you tend to do this when you are faced with a request of invitation you aren't that into, means if your friend is asking for help, right, and you all the time say yes, means you think that all the time, for cooperating or supporting to your colleagues or other people by saying the word yes. Okay, yes, I will do. Yes, I will come with you. Yes, I will. Means intentionally you don't want to do that, but you think that whether the person can get some angry from you, or he cannot, he can get a relationship with you. That's why you have to say to yes. Many times you say yes instead of saying no. Means you don't want to go with your friend, you don't want to cooperate it, you're not in good situation, but still you need to say unwillingly yes. So that means you have lack of that skill to say your words, to say your opinion, to put your own thoughts. So let me get back to you on that. I need to check my calendar, I have a schedule conflict, I won't be able to have. So this kind of lines you can use that. These kind of things you can use when you need to put your views, your own opinion, when you need to say no. You need to learn to say no to the people. Means you should be confident by saying no. Means if somebody is angry and angrily he is saying to get any work done by you, and he would scold you, and then you would be agree. You need to say you need to put your views to say no. How can you say when you have good ideas, good communication skill, then only you can put your negative words in front of the people. Here actually the thing is that we have been learning for so many times to say yes, to accept everything. All right, but the thing is that now you need to learn to say no word, to use the word no. Okay, if I say to you, if I say to any of the participant from you people that okay, tomorrow can you become a host for 2 hours or 3 hours? For 3 hours you need to take the sessions, right? And I would be also there, but you don't want to be the host. You don't want to come here because you don't have that much confidence, but you are not able to say no to me. You wanted to say no to me, but you don't want to say no. That is called the integrity nature. You know what is the meaning of integrity? Let me tell you what is the meaning of integrity. Integrity means honest. Honesty means you always follow the all the rules and regulations and everything. Suppose you are in the midnight of any like a square road. There are green and red light, and nobody is there. There isn't any police, there isn't any camera, there isn't any kind of vehicles, and you are going because you are a very honest person. You are going on the way, and when the red light come, you stopped. You could go, you could cross the road, but you are not crossing the road because you are honest person. You are unwillingly standing on the square road. You want to cross, but you are honest person. You have integrity. That is called the integrity nature. So these kind of natures you need to bring out in yourself. Rehearse with someone you know and trust. If you have a sorry excuse me just a minute. If you have a big issue you are trying to address, consider role playing with a trusted friends by practicing different conversation styles. Write it down, then say what you want to say aloud. Remember to ask for feedback about how clear you are coming across and how the other person might see the situation. Pay attention to how they respond to your voice, to your tone, voice, and body language. Are you communicating without becoming shy or hostile? Evaluate yourself afterwards. Tweak your approach according to their input. It's a kind of situation, it's a kind of rehearsal which you can do practically with your friends or people. Suppose you have said no to your friend and you need to watch him, that in what tone he is communicating with you, in what tone he is doing conversation with you next time, or the right in the present time or in the future. Means you need to learn the face reading, the mindset of the people by doing this kind of rehearsal. Many people they do that. Many people they do that. I was just checking you by saying this word. I was just checking you saying no to you. Like, and they in the next time or like suddenly they start cooperating or coordinating. So that is the rehearsal which are helpful to bring the quality of being assertive in yourself. Next is assertiveness is an ability to take action in a positive, sincere, respectful, and confident way. So that is a kind of ability. It means you need to have all the ideas and approaches. Means the people who are assertive, they have 4 or 5 steps ahead of thinking. Means they can think the next to next situations, what all the things which would come in the future. They have positive approaches. Then only you can put your views, your ideas and your opinion to the public, to the organization. In a positive, you need to be positive, sincere, respectful, confident, politeness. All these things are the part of the assertiveness nature. Okay, being firm is you all the time should be firm with your ideas, with your points, patient, persistent, pushing someone into action, encouraging. Miss, you are the leader. You should have that leadership skills to encourage the people to get the work done. Okay, if you scold, if you become angry, and by showing your angerness, by shouting to the public and you get the work done by others, is it the good nature? Do you think that next time people would be approaching you? They won't be approaching you. They would start avoiding you. They would try to divert their ways. Wherever you they would finding that you are standing there, don't go over there. He can scold, he can shout. So this kind of aggressive nature, which are not required, means you need to get the work done by the public, and only by the politeness, patience, and being firm, and by encouraging the people. These are the qualities. Being assertive is also being honest with yourself. That is called the integrity. Means being honest yourself. Means there isn't any person, there isn't anything on the square road, but there is a red light and you are standing. You can also cross the road, but you are not Crossing because you're honest. This means knowing what I can do, knowing my limitation, letting others know what I need and how I am feeling. Assertiveness is now being viewed as the most effective and desirable way to deal with it with people and is in fact a life skill. The thing is that here I have given very short descriptions about the topic that is being assertiveness, right? You people can search more about in internet in the YouTube channel about being assertiveness. These skills will develop your confidence, your way of speaking, level of communicating skills, and this would help you to interact with more and more people, to gather the people and make a positive impression on the people. You would also be more respected than today. Being assertive does not mean putting your point across without regard for others by being rude, forceful, or aggressive. So we have already explained these things. You don't need to be aggressive. You need to respect everybody. And you can also put your views. You can also get the work done by the people, by the others. Fine. Passive aggressive behavior is not an acceptable form of communication skills. So we have already explained what is the meaning of passive and aggressive and assertive natures. In the beginning, we have already explained. Okay, at last, this is the conclusion. In conclusion, to improve our assertiveness, we need to meet situation head and not shy away from them. People must understand and act upon why we say yes when we should have said no. We need to be able to say what we mean without feeling guilty. Miss, many times we say yes, whether we should have said no, but we say unwillingly yes, and after that we feel guilty. Why did I say yes? I was supposed to say no. If we have a problem, we need to deal with it. Speak to our mentor, personal tutor. Also need to be aware of our body language. Above all, being assertive is having confidence in yourself. To be effective, we recognize that the above will take time and that we need to practice this form of communication wherever possible, both in our personal and professional life. So that is also helpful in your personal and professional life. So we have got some questions. You know very well about these questions. I've already shared in the documents. And two things, the question number 4 and the question number 5, already given the meaning of these two questions. I've already shared the answer of these questions. You can edit the answer of these questions according to yourself. First, understand the meaning of these questions, which I have already shared in the WhatsApp groups. So that was about the topic, and I think that you all have understood something about the topic. Now, the thing is that if you want to know more about it, you can learn, you can read it in the YouTube channel, you can search in the Googles more about the topic. Actually, the thing is that it was kind of introduction about the topic, and you all have not listened it or seen it any other places. This is the part of communication skill. So if you all people have any kind of doubt, anything which you haven't understood, you can ask me or we can do a discussion after the breakout room. All right. If somebody has any things, any idea to share here, please unmute yourself and share here.
First
Anybody?
of all, let
Mm-hmm.
me take one photograph.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So on count of once again, three, two, and one.
Good job.
Once again, three. Many people turn on their camera. Zakir, why your camera is off? Fatima, Fong, all people. Jacqueline, come on. Okay, this looking wonderful picture.
Yeah, that was
I will
nice.
share this picture in every group. So please turn on your camera, all the guys. Fong, Desita, Abdul Karim, please come on. Okay, so three, two, and 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 one. Thank you.
So guys,
Thank you so
start
much.
speaking about the topic. Anybody, please. Till the time, I'm just assigning the people in the breakout room. Anybody? Yes, Abdul Karim. You please start speaking. Abdul Karim, do you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Please say about it.
Actually, sir, I first class. I very weak in English. I am from India,
You're from
in
India.
West Bengal.
Okay.
In I am very weak in English. Today is my first class.
Okay.
मेरा friend link भेजा. I don't have WhatsApp group.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Jay, can you provide him WhatsApp group number
I,
5 link?
add me your WhatsApp group, please, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please. Jay would provide you WhatsApp group link 5.
WhatsApp number, sir.
Just wait. In the chat box, Jay will provide you the link and you can
Okay,
directly join
Okay,
the.
yeah. I will provide you the group number 5 link. You just need to click on the link so you can stay connected with us every day.
Mhm.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
So I paste our group link into the chat box. Abdul Karim, please see the chat
Yeah.
box of our Zoom. You can find it.
Did you get
Oh, you also done the same.
Abdul Karim?
Okay.
आपको मिल गया? अब्दुल करीम,
मिल गया, sir.
मिल गया? ज्वाइन कर लिया आपने?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके गुड. एक्चुअली अब्दुल, अब लेट मी टेल यू, ये हमारी डेली मीटिंग होती है 6:30 बजे से, और आप डेली इसको ज्वाइन करिए, ठीक है? Join
Okay, sir.
join every day and practice with people, and definitely after some time you will learn how to speak English confidently. Okay, so Jay, could you go in breakout room number 6? There is some help
Okay.
which are required.
Did you allow to people sharing their screen
No,
in room number
not that
4?
moment.
Only one people. Only
Not
room number
room.
4
Wait, you need to join breakout room number 6. They are looking
because there
for.
is only one person.
Hmm.
In room number 6, only one
I'm
person. That's
just
why.
I'm just sending people there.
Okay.
Jacqueline, where is Jacqueline? Hello, Jacqueline. Jacqueline, please join breakout room number 4. Jakir, you also need to join your breakout room. Pitch smile. Jakir, breakout number 4. Vietnam, please join breakout number. Okay.
Sir, where are you from, sir?
Breakout room number 4. 4. Do you get the link to join breakout room number 4? Please join breakout room number 4. Hello, pitch smile.
Hello, why we have to move to another room?
You can join breakout room number 4, please. I have moved you in breakout room number 4. Jakir, you were supposed to, I need to make you co-host. Now your co-host, you can join breakout room number 6. Okay. Abdul, do you get the
Yes,
link?
sir.
Do you get the link to join breakout room?
Okay, sir. सर आप कौन सा स्टेट में हो सर?
Hmm?
Where are you, sir?
I'm from India. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur.
उत्तर प्रदेश, यूपी सर.
Exactly. Abdul, please join your breakout room. Jakir, you also.
What sir? I don't. Sir,
Okay.
please sir.
Are you using mobile phone? Are you using mobile phone?
Yes sir, mobile. I have
Okay.
mobile
Touch
phone.
your screen. Touch your screen. Okay. You would see the breakout room. Can't understand. Can't talk. Hello, Jakir. Are you here? Hi, Jian Pire. Hello, Jian. It's a Jian or Juan or it's a Sean. What is the pronunciation of your name? Can you unmute yourself? There are many participants joining. Hi,
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. Hello, Azita. What happened? Let me make you co-host. You need to unmute yourself first of all. Jay,
They are
please,
on mute.
please join breakout room number 4.
Okay, but
We
you know,
were 3%. One person has some internet problem, and
explanation.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you can tell.
internet connection is maybe.
Yeah, Azita. I was. Wait.
There is some problem in internet connection with me. Maybe
Hmm.
I don't know. I can't be able to join any breakout room.
Okay, so Azita, Jakir, and Webho Baljit. I'm sending you all people in one breakout room. Okay.
okay.
Azita, you were already in breakout room number 1. Breakout room number 5. Azita, Rajinder, breakout room number 5. Please join. And Jakir, I don't know what happened with Jakir. Rajinder, please join your breakout room number 5.
But I didn't receive any notification.
You didn't get? No, did you get? Baljit, you also
Thank
join
you.
your breakout number 5. There isn't any person right now. Vaibhav, you also joined breakout number 5. Baljit is there. Hello, Rajinder.
Yeah, good evening.
Good
sir.
evening, Rajinder. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you doing?
I'm great. Is the first day of your meeting with us?
Yes, sir. Yes. This is the first day.
Okay. So please join the breakout room number 5. I have already assigned you. You get the link to join breakout room.